Boys and girls, brothers and sisters, never run after success in your life. Always try to run after excellence because when you achieve excellence in your life, it will become your identity. The money that you earn will be spent one day. Money comes and goes. Your fame may fade one day, but the excellence which you achieve in your life will become your identity. So, always try to achieve excellence in your life by putting passion, integrity, and honesty and precision in your work. Make your work so excellent that no one can beat you in that profession or field. When you do this, success will come after you. Okay, so never run after success, run after excellence.